Hello, Namaskar viewers. I am Sanjeev Pandya welcoming you to the Tax Time Show. As you know, this is the show gets you latest and the greatest information you need to know when it comes to taxes, whether it's a personal taxes or corporate taxes, and what's happening from Department of Treasury, yani ki Internal Revenue Services, what kind of update that they are giving out to the taxpayers, all the things that you get to know in this show, Tax Time, courtesy of Mr. Ajay Kumar, CPA, MBA with Sai CPA Services, a firm based here in state of New Jersey, and it's a full-fledged accounting firm from personal to corporate taxes. Even it's setting up a company and then doing the accounting and the bookkeeping for the companies. Mr. Ajay Kumar is with us in the studio. Sir, welcome to the show. How are you?
I'm doing good, Sanjeevji. Thank you.
Very good. In this episode, in today's episode, rather, I should say that we're going to talk something very, very important. And you, as a business owner, besides CPA and MBA, can definitely give out a lot more helpful information in this topic. As we all know, in today's day and age, to find a good employees, good help is a tough task.
Absolutely.
And once you find them, to keep them working for you, that's even tougher task. Employees, they come with certain skills. They are talented. They have good academic background and everything. But besides giving them or besides paying them good salary, you need to give them good benefits as
Absolutely.
well. Because that's one of the things employees consider before deciding to join the company or not. So let's shed some light on employee benefits.
Sure.
What are the benefits and why should they give out benefits? And how important are those benefits for the employer to give to their employees?
Absolutely, it's my pleasure. So as you rightly said, for a small business, their biggest asset is their employees.
True.
Not only you can attract the right employee, you can retain them, you can keep them with you, and you can keep their morale high. You can keep the productivity high. A happy employee produces higher productivity as opposed to somebody who is not happy at your business. So employee benefit for a small businesses is the key here. To give them the benefit, and the best part is a lot of these benefits are tax deductible. It's a win-win.
That's the beauty of it.
Absolutely. So in this episode, we'll talk about what are the small business benefits that you can give to your employees. Then we'll talk about why you should give these benefits. And then in the end, we'll discuss how you should give these benefits to maximize your tax deductibility.
Absolutely. Very good. Now, there are several benefits, obviously, for employer to decide on one benefit or to have multiple benefits. It's all up to the employer, but even a small business owner should consider giving something to their employees.
Absolutely. There is no question about it.
So let's just start, with the, what kind of benefits are out there.
Let's start there. And the very first benefit, the foremost, is the health insurance.
Yes.
If you are giving health insurance to your employees, it's a tax deductible expense for you. You even qualify for tax credits, and we'll discuss it in our last segment, the tax benefits of providing the benefits to your employees. But the best part is you don't have to give 100% of the premium. Just consider an example. If a family, 2 adults, 2 children, try to get the health insurance, it's going to be far more expensive for them since they're a single shopper, as opposed to getting the same benefits for an employer, for a small business, for 10 employees. Let's say when you're going for one person,
yes,
as opposed to going for a group, your health insurance benefits are much higher and the premiums are much lower when you buy it as a group.
Yeah, obviously, bulk mein jo hota hai,
Absolutely.
You can negotiate it very well.
So think about it. Even if your contribution as a business is zero, let's say if you can save a couple of $100 a month for the employee, and as a business you don't contribute anything, even then the employees are feeling good because their total cost is much lower than what they would have paid if they have purchased this health insurance outside the market.
On their own.
On their own.
Yes.
And then you can add small percentage, 10%, 12, 20%, 30%, whatever you choose. There is no fixed formula. You decide how much you want to contribute towards the premium. The thing is, by having this health insurance plan for all the employees, Buying it as a group gets you cheaper plan at the same benefit, and it's added value for your employees.
Absolutely.
Right?
Good.
So similarly, like the health insurance, you can offer 401k. 401k is a pre-tax benefit. It's a retirement plan. For 2019, the limit was $19,000, Sanjeevji. For 2020, the limit is $19,500, and it increases few $100 every year. If you are over 50, you get more 401k benefits. The limit becomes higher. So as a small business, you can choose to contribute nothing. But if you allow your employees to contribute, if you provide this benefit, then your employees don't have to pay taxes on that $19,000 in this example. So the employees can contribute to their plan, their money, pre-tax. So their taxability is going down. As a small business, it's not costing you anything, and it's an added benefit.
Good.
You can choose to contribute if you want. You can come up with a matching plan. I'll contribute up to 1% of your salary, 2% of your salary, or I'll contribute a maximum of $500 per employee per year, or $5,000. Your call, your choice, nothing mandated. But by having the plan, you're attracting better employees, you're retaining employees, and the morale will be higher.
These two benefits are the most popular out there, and the most talked about out there. And you rightly said that health insurance can be very expensive for an employee to go out and get it on their own. Even though there are plans approved by government and everything, but still it can be very expensive versus employer getting it for them, because employer is employer, business owner, and a group of employees, put them together in a bucket, they can negotiate better rate. And 401k is additional savings, because when employees working, employee don't realize it, that while they are working, they're also saving money, that their money is actually making money into 401k.
Absolutely.
So there is also added benefit, but I'm sure there must be some more benefits besides this as well.
Yep.
So we're going to take a break, and when we come back, we'll continue our conversation on what kind of benefits out there and why small business owners should continue to give out benefits to their employees to keep them for a longer period of time, keep them happy, and get their productivity level at the highest possible. With that note, before we go into the break, viewers, I just want to let you know that should you have any question, please feel free to send us an email. texttime@tvasiausa.com. That's the email ID, which you will see it on a screen as well. And Mr. Ajay Kumar will personally reach out to you and answer any question that you have. Please stay with us. We'll be back after these messages.